Now, person with it. I swear, put me, I'm not feeling for myself.
So far, so Jesus.
Hey, but now things don't change. Fine boys like us.
Nobody ready to pay now. Nobody ready to pay now.
Fine boys like us. We're ready to pursue, we're ready to close them. Now they do it to you. And then they rush on their father. Now, I can practically say I'm successful. Like me now, I feel I'm not alive. And I get what they look up to. So I ask also to be like that. See AY, 30 days in Atlanta, 10 days in Salt City, a trip to Jamaica. AY is successful. But AY also need to hustle hard because AY also get winning. Aspire to be like AY, they aspire to be like people like Mike Adenuga or Dangote. And Dangote and Mike Adenuga also need to hustle hard because they get who they look up to. Because if they know they hustle, Mike Adenuga, nobody said glory church card, 100 naira. They made Dangote, they said spaghetti, 130. They didn't hustle. They get who they look up to. They look up to person like Bill Gates. Bill Gates also need to hustle. Bill Gates need to hustle hard. The only person where Bill Gates feel look up to is God. Because I also go hustle hard. So remember that. Now, when I was planning this show, January I went to a Ikoyi club. You know, see Ikoyi club now, big men, and they come there. I went to Ikoyi club to perform. After my performance, one man walked up to me. He said, Bensu, come. Wow. Bensu, you killed it. You are very funny comedian. Where have you been? I said, oh, God, we are trying. Wow. Bensu, come. Are you planning anything? I said, sometime. He said, no, Bensu, you need to do something. I want to support you. No. You're funny. You just wait. What's happening? I said, sir, we are just planning. And I said, come. Now I put that for pocket. He said, come. No. You are not funny. I said, thank you, sir. I said, come. Take my card. Call me. I said, okay, no problem. I said, they go. Then I come and say, come. Take. This is my wife's card. If my number does not go, call me. I will pick my wife. I said, okay, no problem. March. Now the man called me. Person. I said, sir. He said, what's happening? I've seen a white show. I've seen a thorough show, volleyball show. When are you doing something? Do something. I want to support you. I said, sir, no problem. We are planning. We've gotten a date. He said, where? I said, Bamora Convention. He said, what date? I said, August 26. He said, very good. I will support you. Ask people that know me very well. When I want to support, I support in full. I begin plan. They do 2 weeks to the show. Now I call the man. He said, Pencil. I said, sir. He said, I'm seeing your advert everywhere. You are speaking of Lagos. I will not only support you, we will support you. I said, yeah, we. I said, okay, I don't make them. We. 2 days to my show on Friday. Now I call the man. I said, sir, the show is on Sunday. He said, yes, Pencil, I know. We have supported you. Come the shop. I said, this man, my account number 1, no. I said, sir, how? He said, as I speak to you now, we just left the Bagno supermarket. We bought 2 regular tickets. We paid cash, 10,000 naira. I am my wife. Don't worry, we are with you. Okay, no sense I dey crack this joke you dey here. And you sit down for regular. They watch me. My God will fight for me. Don't worry. You know who will support me? You surprise me. And now, you know, things don't change. I don't understand what's going on in this country. You know, think about those days, musicians. What did they pay me now? The kind of songs where they sing, I don't tire. Mommy, you are here. Remember your days. Those days when musicians they sing songs when they sense. Musicians when hear a song, you go proud, say, now me sing them. You go tell people, that's my song. Things don't change. Now, those days you hear songs like my pikin too well. Make your own better. Song get advice. You hear songs like yeah your mama, yeah your papa, so that life go better. Yeah your mama, yeah your papa, so life go better for you. And you know I like those days song. Two face you can bear me witness. If you want cross road, song there for run. You know if you just cross road anyhow. If you want cross, song there for you to cross road. If you hear something, I look before you cross. You hear that? Make you the look road before you cross. So that accident nobody. That's why accident no they really happen that time. Because you take conscious to the look road before you cross. Even if you enter club, you want dance with a lady, you take permission. Can I have a dance, Rosé? Can I have a dance, Rosé? But now, things don't change. You can not see person there enter Cubana. See there, they shake now. You can not jump Cubana. I like that where you It's crazy. Those days music makes sense. And now, all these artists are not tired. The one way they pay me now, that the time me where they answer. Slim Case. Slim Case. The other day, police got Slim Case for he get around about. He dey drive as they stop and park. Now so shout. Sense me ganja. And one boy still online. Now the police look at. He look a second. Yahoo boy. Say online. Now they look at, hey, who are you? He say, I'm Slim Case. Waiting be that one. He said, an artist. Waiting be your name, Slim Case. Now the police look at brother. You go get case today. Now so they answer and said, what do you they do? He said, I'm a musician. Now the police say, what do you sing? And Slim Case say, on a coding diet. On a coding diet. Now the police shut up. Could be where they don't band. Now you dey sing about. What do you sing again? It's officer. It's a go. It's a go. It's a go. Now police say, who score? Now one of the other police say, officer, you do carry that guy enter bus. How they go? As they carry this in place, one enter motor. Now in place say, officer, Olowo Gogoro. Anybody say, shut up, now you sing them. Don't be like on the bus song. It's officer, no, nah. I never said I'm sing them, now my colleague sing them. Is turning things around. All those artists. It's crazy now, things don't hard. You know, one of those things, when entertainers, they travel anyhow. Money day. Now, this summer, nobody travel. Airports dry. You know, when those days, when only day, 2014, you know, AY, my boss, AY they travel that time now. AY, that time now, AY travel. AY they travel, shout that time now. Yeah, 2014. AY spent 30 days in Atlanta. 30 days in Atlanta. Things good that time. He come back, invest. He took a trip. to Jamaica. Money pay. Things come hard. Baba enter. Why if you travel, you know they spend time again. I spent 10 days for Sun City. Now everywhere don't lock. At that time, I remember say no place like home. Now I call RMD. Call and say no. Now go be my Yoruba demon.
I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
Even nice. This thing you put on nice now. That time. Now so you dey sing. Don't put down jiggy. Only get me. I'm happy. Money day. It is spend. That's so nice. Again, I'm a party rider. Party, they go party. You know, they go. Baba enter. Things change now. It's don't know when he holler. Economy not gonna give me heart attack. You know, please don't.
It's not really nice. And the economy is giving heart attack. Everybody, the economy is giving everybody heart attack now. Even my father at home, we don't understand. We went to hospital the other day, they say they don't know his sickness. It's not heart attack that he had. Country is anyhow. Don't say anything. The way the country, see, if you won't come again, second time, they say they want to do slave trade. You see people are rushing to the ship. Everywhere is better. If they tell me that do visa to go now, and you follow them, don't have anything. It's corruption, they say they are fighting you. Maybe they should put it in the corruption, you know that. Because even if we don't like money, there are something more than the corruption. There's something more than the corruption. But yeah, the person, what's your, you have not seen something. You have not seen, who is spending the most is the people of Nigeria. The people is like they put stain on our hand. It's like they put stain, like they put fish stain. But if I was burning one church yesterday, you are praying. Fire is burning church, they are praying, and they like that. Even like that in the Bible, God, he said God should send out fire. He said God should quench fire. They said God should quench. They want free national. They said 262 billion. That they want to do, and that's what I'm supposed to back up. You raise your hand and do microphone. People economy has affected the microphone.
But not true. Now, election don't come. They don't promise us things. The one way first me pass. Now Lai Mohammed, he come out, open his mouth, say the reason why they make fuel scarce for December and to reduce the numbers of accidents in Nigeria. When I hear that now, I say that Lai Mohammed in Elisha. And 2019 is coming. If you've not gotten your PVC, go and get your PVC. Don't sell your vote. Vote right. Protect your future. Because, if you want to clap. Vote right. Protect your future. I know where I live. I know where I belong. And I know the person to vote for 2019. Because 2015, one woman sell her vote. On Monday, APC come. They share groundnut oil and tin tomato. On Tuesday, PDP come. They share rice. She collect. On Wednesday, she won't cook jollof rice. She can't use APC rice. APC tin tomato and groundnut oil. Won't cook PDP rice. That rice not done. As I talk to now, the rice still dey fire. And the one wey pay me pass. Now they waiting. Buhari promise us. Yes. When Buhari dey campaign that time, he promised all primary school children 1 meal every day. See now, the rice never done, or the food never done. The other day, Some children still carry that thing for mind. They see one woman dey cook a komo rice for Surulere. A komo rice, so the children carry am for mind. They begin carry plates, begin queue. As they queue from Shita, they queue reach Bode Thomas. The woman dey shop, what is happening? Now he ask the children, what is this queue for? And the children say, we want to eat that Iboani rice. It's crazy. Promise us this. You know, fulfill am. Now why? Mikel Obi promise am too. Say we go win World Cup. As I hear that thing, I shock. Win World Cup. Now travel. Go Russia. To see how possible the thing go there. Now, if you check the World Cup, the mighty we are falling. Think am. Brazil get player when they answer Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. Brazil get player when they answer Gabriel Jesus. They come out. Egypt get player when they answer Mohamed Salah. They come out. Mohamed, they come out. We get ordinary Moses. We will get ordinary Moses. On account they expect us to win World Cup. Moses will not carry the children of Israel and enter promised land. Now the full Nigeria won't carry enter. No, but it's crazy. And I think that was something. You know, say now only this country, now our football fans, no, they believe in themselves. Yes. I remember when Argentina and Nigeria they play match. One guy, that guy. Oh, we wear original jersey, original Nigerian jersey. Oh, enter one of those bed shops. See where the guy they holla. Oh, we will kill them today. They will die. Who said they say, oh boy, now die and dead. That's what they shout. Oh boy, now die and dead. The guy won't come bet. Wait come up for the guy mouth now. I beg. Every place Argentina win. Nigeria over 2.5. Me, I can't be shocked. But they don't want to pay me. Wait till pay me pass. Now the way some things they happen. You know, say this country. Now you go see persons where I gather where they starch. I gather 2.5 starch, 10,000 naira. Enter bench, enter. One of those lounge there. One man, you don't pick the one man now. You don't say this election down the reach. One man where Agbada start well package Agbada. Now he enter. As he enter one of the lounge, now he call the waiter. Waiter! Come here! What's happening here? Why did you wear like this? Give me the menu list. Now they give him list. Now I say, waiter! Give me goat's meat. Give everybody goat meat pepper soup too. Because when taking goat meat, I like everybody around me to take goat meat pepper soup, including the DJ. As DJ hear the thing, he head scatter. Then the DJ play.